Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to configure Hotlink protection in cPanel. First, log into your cPanel. Next, locate the security section, then click on Hotlink protection. If you're satisfied with the URLs and current settings, click the Enable button. Ensure the domain name you want to protect is listed in the URLs to allow access box. Then, provide the file extensions you wish to block. Leave the redirect the request to the following URL box blank unless you want external users to be redirected to another page. If you do, input the destination URL. After that, click Submit, and a successful confirmation page will appear. To disable Hotlink protection, on the Hotlink protection page, click Disable. After that, a confirmation page will be displayed. You have now protected your images or files from being hotlinked. Just be sure that all of your additional domains are on the hotlink list.